made a not so big mistake that wasn't actually a mistake. So I've got to redo these two. Anyway, welcome to another episode of Building the Treehouse Budget Special. Do not do what I do. It's very dangerous, very stupid. I forgot ladders.
I said by round 6 they'd be on the G&Ts, I reckon round 4 or 5.
Oh, right, okay, I'm gonna start putting the felt on now. Now usually with felt you would go horizontally on a roof, but I'm gonna go vertically and wrap it over. And the other reason I'm doing that is so I don't fall off and die. And I don't fancy going on the actual roof itself because I might slip. Because the pitch is so severe, I might just slip down. How's that for a stapler? It's awesome, isn't it? I actually brought some ladders this time, so now I won't actually die. So what you might notice watching this video is I'm going to progressively get a lot sweatier. That's a bad choice of wearing the grey t-shirt. So I've done my fair share of corrugated roofs with my dad actually, funnily enough. So the things that you've got to do is pretty simple really. If you're ever doing a corrugated roof, you've always got to make sure your screws are not in the well. That's called the well, so it's the recessed part, lowest part. You can't put your screws in the well because that's where the water goes, pretty much. So you've got to put your screws on top. You've got to always overlap your joint, and that's pretty much corrugated sheeting. Oh, and also when you're screwing in, make sure you hit your joists always, because if you don't, you're buggered. Never stretch when you're on a pair of ladders. Top tip. They'll teach you in college, that's if you're an apprentice, or in general, you've got to have 3 points of contact on a ladder. At this moment, I've only got 2. How are you meant to work in the construction industry without breaking a few rules, eh? This guy's walking past, watching me speak to a camera. Okay, so the next job here is to do all of this. Handrails, spindles, blah, 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 blah.